Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. I'm Shivam Mahajan, currently working as a lead data engineer at Adobe. And in today's video, I'm going to break down a real job listing and help you understand exactly what skills and experience are required so you can apply with confidence. Let's look at this role posted by Optum for Azure Cloud Data Engineering Consultant. This role is based out of Noida, New Delhi, Gurugram, and it's a hybrid opportunity. They are looking for someone with 7 to 12 years of experience in data engineering. The minimum education requirement is BTech or MCA. In terms of qualification, like technical experience, here's what you need to know technically to be eligible for this role. So basically, you need to know Azure Cloud. You should have hands-on experience with cloud services, especially within the Azure ecosystem. The second thing is the Azure Databricks, one of the core requirements. So if you have worked with Databricks notebooks, Data Lake, that's a big plus. Then the Apache Spark, since Databricks runs on Spark, you should be confident writing Spark jobs, especially for batch and streaming data. In terms of programming language, they are looking for someone who has good experience in Python, the Python that can be used for scripting and pipeline automation. Then Scala, commonly used in Spark jobs, having this on your resume will definitely help. Along with that, SQL, you must be solid at writing complex SQL queries. It is still one of the most important tool in the data engineering toolkit. What kind of experience they are expecting? You should have at least 3 years of experience, 3 years of hands-on experience in Azure and Databricks. Your total work experience should be 7+ years in data engineering. You should be comfortable building data pipelines, working with large data set, and transforming data using Spark or SQL. To summarize, here's what you should focus on if you want to apply for this job. Firstly, master SQL and Python. Gets hands-on experience with Databricks. It's not just about knowing Spark, but actually using the Databricks platform. So brush up your skills in Scala, even if it's an intermediate level. Build Azure-based pipelines using services like Data Factory, Data Lake, and Synapse. So if you can showcase 2 to 3 projects where you have built scalable pipelines on Azure using Spark and Databricks, you will be a strong candidate. So I hope this video helped you break down the job description and understand exactly what Optum is looking for. If you want me to break down more job listing or explain specific tools like Databricks or Spark, just let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone who is looking for a job in data engineering. So this is Shivam Mahajan signing off. See you in the next one. Bye.